Hello lovely people, I'm Stella from Stella's Yarn Universe. I have some really exciting news to share with you. I just launched my Patreon page. You can become my patron by clicking the link in the description box below and joining. You will pay a small monthly fee, for which of course you will get some great perks. Most of the video crochet tutorials that I share on here come with a written pattern in PDF form that includes detailed instructions of the process as well as many step-by-step photos. I sell these PDF patterns on Etsy and Ravelry, and as my patron you will get them for free every time I share a new project, a new video tutorial. You will get the matching PDF pattern for it, as well as the existing PDF patterns for all of my recent projects. And by recent I mean all the way back to sometime in 2022. Instead of listing all of the projects, I'll just blend them in for you right now so you can see what's included. So by joining now, you gain instant access to so many of my existing PDF crochet patterns, as well as PDF patterns for any of my future projects that I share here on my YouTube channel. But that's not everything. From the second month of your membership, you get a 50% coupon code, so you can save 50% on any of my other crochet patterns that I don't share here on YouTube. And you get a new coupon every month. Plus you get exclusive voting power, so you decide what I crochet next. So if you want to become a patron, click the link in the description box below to join. I'm so excited to share all of these great perks with you, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my work and helping me create more crochet patterns. And with that being said, I want to tell all of you, everyone who watches my videos, uses my patterns, shares their beautiful makes, you are all supporting me by just watching, choosing my patterns, spending your time on my channel, liking, sharing, commenting. All of these things mean so much to me, and you are all supporting my work, and I'm eternally grateful for you. And thank you for making time to play and create, and you make the world a brighter place. Sending you all my love. Bye.